Before you start using Roflumilast, make sure to read the Patient Information Leaflet from your pharmacist. This medication is for use on the skin only. Apply it to the affected area and rub in completely as directed by your doctor, usually once daily. Remember to wash your hands after applying, unless you are treating your hands. Avoid getting this medication in your eyes, mouth, or vagina. If this happens, rinse right away with plenty of water. Use this medication regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. And don't forget to tell your doctor if your condition does not get better or if it gets worse. Some common side effects of Roflumilast 0.3% topical cream may include diarrhea, nausea, headache, or pain at the application site. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's important to contact your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as trouble sleeping or signs of infection like a persistent sore throat, fever, or chills. While a severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's crucial to seek medical help right away if you notice symptoms such as a rash, severe itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. It's also important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed, be sure to reach out to your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to the FDA. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to Health Canada. Before using Roflumilast 0.3% topical cream, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. It's also important to let them know about your medical history, especially if you have liver disease. If you are planning to have surgery, it's crucial to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. For pregnant women, it's important to use this medication only when clearly needed and to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is currently unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so it's best to avoid direct contact with the nipple and areola if breastfeeding. Always consult with your doctor before breastfeeding while using this medication. It's important to be aware that Roflumilast 0.3% topical cream may interact with other medications, which could affect how they work or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this information with your doctor and pharmacist. Never make any changes to your medication dosage without first consulting with your doctor. If this medication is ingested, it can be dangerous. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the US, residents can reach their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. This medication is for use on the skin only. Do not apply it to the face, underarms, or groin area unless directed to do so by your doctor. Roflumilast 0.3% topical cream is used to treat certain skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and other types of dermatitis. It works by reducing swelling, itching, and redness that can occur in these types of conditions. Apply a thin layer of the cream to the affected area of the skin once daily, or as directed by your doctor. It is best to apply the cream at the same time each day for the best results. Be sure to wash your hands before and after applying the cream, unless your hands are the area being treated. It is important not to share this medication with others, as it is prescribed specifically for your condition and may not be suitable for others. If you forget to apply a dose of Roflumilast 0.3% topical cream, you can apply it as soon as you remember. However, if it's close to the time for your next dose, it's better to skip the missed dose and apply the next dose at the regular time. Do not apply extra medicine to make up for the missed dose. Remember to use it as directed by your doctor for the best results. Make sure to store this Roflumilast 0.3% topical cream at room temperature and away from children and pets. Do not throw it in the toilet or drain unless told to do so. When it's expired or you no longer need it, dispose of it properly. You can ask your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.